Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today Tom will be creating his groomsmen boxes. I actually built my bridesmaid boxes kind of a while ago now. I did it last December, but and then if you haven't seen that, I'll go ahead and link that video down below as well. But Tom's bachelor party is coming up in just a couple of weeks, so he thought it would be a really good time now to make the boxes. So I just kind of wanted to quickly share with you everything he's putting in the boxes before he assembles them, and then we'll be able to show you the end result. So these are the boxes he's using. These ones came from Amazon. They are this brand, and they are, you assemble them yourself, so it comes in a flat package like that. And then I just assembled one just to kind of show you the size. I actually bought these for my bridesmaid boxes, but they ended up being too small for the items that I included in my boxes. So that works out because Tom can use them instead. And then we also got this crinkle cut filler paper for his boxes in black. And then these are from Hobby Lobby, and this is from Hobby Lobby as well. These are just little letter decals. He's going to put, I think he said either the first or both initials of his guys on the box, and we just tested out one of the letters to see how it came out, and it looked really good. And then here are the items he's including in each box. So first we have a watch. He got his guys each a watch from Amazon, and these are really nice. They come in a little tin container, and then there's the watch in there. And then these he just had on hand. They're kind of like watch holder kind of thing. So you like wrap the watch around that, and then the watch will go on that and into the box. So it looks really nice. And then he also got these personalized cufflinks and tie bar set for each of his groomsmen. And so the boxes are magnetic, and then you can see there's initials in there for the tie bar, and then same thing for the cufflinks as well. And I believe these ones came from Etsy. I'll make sure to get all the links from him as well. And then these whiskey glasses also came from Etsy too, and they are all personalized as well. So you can see the names, and then this one's the best man, and then the other ones are just a monogram and their names. And then they each get a little mini bottle of alcohol. The best man gets two. So yeah, this is everything that's going in the boxes. And yeah, I will let him start assembling now. And here are the finished boxes. They came out so good. We have a ton more DIYs that we're doing for our wedding, so I'll be sure to bring you along for those as well. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!